Yo, what's going on, everyone? It's Tristan. So I'm actually recording another video today, just getting some stuff done in advance for this week. And actually, it's a video I want to make today. I actually saw these in hand today, and I was like, man, I want a pair of these. So I'm actually going to go out the way. I just recently got a pair of SB Dunk Glows myself, the Persian Violet SBs. I'm going to wear those around for a few weeks, and then I'm going to go get these, man. This is the MUNI Fast Pass SB Dunk Glow. These are so slick, man. I love these. And actually, these are available on my site down below if y'all want to check that out. Feel free. But that's aside from the point, man. It's just a very nice pair. The MUNI Fast Pass SBs. Y'all can see the overall colorway that we got. That brown and orange color scheme. At first, I thought this was not going to work. But, I mean, with that swoosh, kind of that chrome look, bro, these work together very nicely. So, clean pair. We're going to get into reviewing these, everything about it, all the drop details, because these actually did just release at most skate shops, so keep that in mind. And yeah, we'll pretty much get into it from there. So I hope you guys will enjoy. If y'all want more sneaker content like this, then go ahead. Feel free to subscribe and like down below. Let me know how y'all are feeling about this pair. Of course, trying to 300 likes is a normal goal. And of course, check out my Instagrams down below. Check out my website, wick6llc.com. Feel free to use code WICK15 for 50% off everything. If you don't want to check that out, no worries. We didn't just add a ton of new stuff, but check out my TikTok lives too. We've been going crazy over there. Appreciate everyone showing the support again on those lives. Make sure y'all give me a follow. We post content daily there as well. So that's another place y'all can follow me if y'all want to as well. But that's aside from the point, man. We'll just get into this SB Dunk Glow here, the MUNI Fast Pass SB. Such a slick pair. And also here's a photo of my little cat right here. Here, I'm gonna take a picture of her because she's right here by my feet. There's a photo of her meowing right there. Here, I'm gonna pet her for a sec, but that's Luna, as y'all can see. Then we'll review these right here. Purple box SB, beautiful as y'all can see. All right, kitty. But yeah, that's my cat. So aside from that, let's review the MUNI Fast Pass SB Dunk Glow. Very nice pair. So as you guys can see, taking a look at these right here, we do have some extra laces with them. I just want to make sure I get them all out right here. So we do have these, okay. So we got some gray extra laces, as y'all can see. The gray extra laces go with, of course, the sole right there, as y'all can see, and also with the chrome swoosh. Another detail it also goes with is the tongue tag, but we'll review everything individually. I don't want to just like run through it all really quick, you know, so we'll take our time here. You also got unique insoles on these, right? Since this is the MUNI Fast Pass SB, which is based off, I believe, the San Francisco subway or metro. I could be wrong on describing that, but look at this. As y'all can see, the inside of the insoles right there, you can see it has a heart, and then, well, that San Francisco, the red bridge, that big one. You know what I'm talking about. That's the way I can describe it, though, for anybody that may not know the name of it, like me. I'm forgetting the name of it. But, yeah, basically, the big red arches. Those, not the McDonald's yellow ones, you know what I'm saying? But, hey, the big red bridge. The one in San Fran, you know what I'm talking about. That one, right? I think we all know the image of it. That's what you have at the inside of the soles. I'll give you all a really close and better, up close detail of it. I don't know why I'm not remembering the name of that too. I learned that in school, so I should definitely remember that. But aside from the point, what we got right here, as y'all can see, very slick pair. This is kind of like a brown, kind of like a suede material, you can say, a little bit, that we got right there. So we got a brown kind of suede on the toe box right there, as y'all can see, and then also that chrome look right there on the swoosh, as y'all can see. This is the part when I took these out of the box. When I saw that chrome swoosh, I was like, whoa. I was like, why does that work? I was like, that shouldn't work with like this color scheme, but it does, man. I think it's because the orange, bro. For the brown, if the shoe was all brown, the chrome swoosh would be wouldn't really work, right? But I think with the brown and orange combo, this works, man. And you got the gray sole to kind of go along with it right there. Everything fits together very nicely on the sneaker, and y'all can see it goes around on the other side too. Like, look at that, man. These are so slick, bro. I love these. So yeah, man, I need a personal of these for sure. Very soon. We'll get to that eventually. Not today, but very soon. Y'all can also see what we got right here. Nike SB Dunk Glow Pro. Y'all can see that gray tongue tag. Very slick, very clean. Cannot go wrong with it. Again, purple box pair. Keep in mind, so you do have a purple box with these. The sole is the same on both pairs. Y'all see that gray and orange look. Then you go back here to the heel on both. Y'all can see the look we got there. The black Nike font. Again, very clean. I like how the black and orange hits. And, of course, then, boom, chrome look. I mean, again, it's a pair that, like, I'm a fan of. So, this is the MUNI Fast Pass SB Dunk Glow for anybody that may not know. There you go. If you're new to SBs, this is a great one to start with as well. If you haven't copped a pair of SBs before, this would be a slick one to start with, man. I really like kind of the split color combo. They haven't really done this very often from what I've seen with SB Dunk Glows. Of course, they've done stuff before with, you know, plenty of different colors, things like that. But they haven't done something like this. I do think they also have a yellow and blue version. I'm not sure when that's releasing, if that'll be summertime, but I do remember a yellow and blue split version existing as well. Maybe that was just a sample or idea or a friends and family pair. We'll have to see, but hopefully that one comes out too, because the yellow and blue split one was slick. It literally just looks just like this, but imagine it instead of brown and orange, yellow and blue. So it's very nice. Actually, there's a picture of it. I'll pop it up on the screen. If I have a picture of it online somewhere, there is a picture of that. It's nice, as y'all can see. Like, definitely something not to sleep on. But aside from that, again, those great extra laces that we have with them as well. Hopefully that's showing. Yeah, y'all can see those. So we got some great extra laces. Let me take out one of the insoles too. Because, again, don't forget, you got standard brown laces, which I actually really like. Because it works. Not only does the brown work with the orange, but you can see how they, chose to, split it up. You know, look. Like, the brown goes the laces go all the way up to, where it starts getting to be, orange. So, it works, how they split the shoe, they did a perfect job with it. But, aside from that, let me show all this insole real quick, okay? Because I want y'all to be able to see. It's the same on both sneakers, by the way, guys, okay? The insole isn't different. And there isn't, a unique detail on the inside of the heel. Look, nothing on the inside of the heel in this one. But, here's the sole, pretty much. Very, very simple and basic. As y'all can see, based off San Francisco right there. So you guys can see what it says, Nike SB, and then of course the heart and the bridges. So pretty cool, just based off the Metro, keep in mind. That's what this whole thing is based off. You do have this though, I am noticing this now. I am noticing this. This is on the inside of both of them. Another unique detail on the tongue tags, y'all can see what that says. I believe that might be, what does that say, S and... It says SC, from what I can tell. SC. I'm guessing that's Skate Club or something like that. Or maybe it has something to do. Maybe this is like a logo. Hey, any of my San Francisco residents, is this logo familiar to any of y'all? Please let me know. Please let me know if that's something from the Metro, or maybe I'm missing something on that. But just trying to get educated on the pair and trying to learn everything about it. So yeah, if y'all could let me know. If not, I'll find some details on it online. I'll try and pop it on the screen. If I don't find anything, then I'm gonna need some people from San Francisco to help me out on what that is. But that's one pair that we got right there, man. I mean, this is a shoe that dropped recently that it honestly caught my attention, bro. I was like, these are so nice. Sorry, there was something hanging off that pair. My bad. Did we fix that? Yeah? Okay. Dang. Sorry, yo. I just had something fly off the box. I was like, what the heck is that? But we're good. Alright. But y'all can see this sneaker, chrome swoosh. Orange and brown split design. I'm also going to do some B-roll shots for these right now just so y'all can get a little bit of a better look to it, right? Because I know y'all like the B-roll shots without me talking over it. So let's do that, because this is definitely one of those sneakers you just have to take a moment and look at. I mean, this is just, yeah, it's a unique pair and everything fits together well. So whenever you have something like that where everything just fits together nicely, that's a sneaker that you got to take a look at. And honestly, might get a couple of these in bigger sizes just to hold on to for a bit. I've seen these aren't as high stock as I thought. So I'm going to give these a couple weeks, see what happens. But these have been a little bit harder to find, I've noticed. And skate shops haven't had as much of them recently. So with these, I got my pair here. And yeah, I don't know. Maybe we'll get some more. But let's do the B-roll shots and then the outro. Let's go. Sorry, I had a burp right there. My bad. All right, let's do this. Anyways, guys, I hope y'all did enjoy this video right here for the MUNI Fast Pass SB Dunk Low. Such a slick pair, man. And I think y'all really saw with the B-roll shots right there how these just hit in the sun and all that. I mean, these are clean. It's a nice pair to wear around on the daily. So definitely going to look. This will probably be the next pair of personal sneakers I'm going to try and get. Once I have a little bit more money, I'm going to do that. Just because mainly I'm trying to save right now because we're moving into a bigger location. So just mainly trying to do that. Not trying to buy a bunch of personal pairs. And when we, again, moving, you'll see what we're doing. So stay tuned. Over the next week or so, y'all are going to see a lot coming up here on the channel. That's actually why I'm recording all these videos in advance right here, because I'm going to need some more time for moving stuff. But we'll still be doing the lives. If y'all want to pop in for those, y'all definitely be able to see me on TikTok there going live over the next week or so. So do not sleep Follow me down below there. And yeah, everything y'all see here with this pair, man. We have a couple left on my website down below, Wick6LC. You should be able to use code WICK15 for 15% off. I think that's valid on this pair. Maybe. It might be. I might have to double check that. And is there anything else that I'm forgetting about this sneaker in particular? No, I don't think there's anything I'm forgetting, man. This shoe is just super nice, though. So check out all the socials down below. Give me a follow on my Instagram. If anybody needs a pair of these, hit me up there. Or the Costco SBs. We got tons of those for sale as well, 8.5 through 13. Let me know if anybody needs one, and we have them available, all right? So that's pretty much everything I need to say, guys. The MUNI Fast Pass SB Dunk Low. Let me know if you'd cop these or if you're going to get around to copping a pair, because I can understand that too. These are nice. I almost skipped over it, but once I got these in hand, I was like, oh, all right. Need these in the collection. So that's it, guys. I'll see you all in the next one tomorrow, and let me know what you think about the MUNI Fast Pass SB Dunk Low. See you all in the next one then. Peace out, squad, and catch y'all then.